guys, this is going to be an electric cable going from the power shade to the other side of the container, the workbench. And now this is me going to cut a pipe and try and rejoin it without getting soaked. We're putting a 90 bend on this so that it sticks straight up, because it has to be tight to the wall. That's the plan. Anyway, Dave. That wasn't so bad. In that position there. And in case you haven't noticed, we're starting to get this slab ready today. Probably says it in the title anyway. Got a trailer load off of me, off type 3. Way too much. This mount here that I had to take out, I've did it over the last couple of days. Just when we're not feeding the birds, which are all doing great by the way, -1. One died on week 5, end of week 5. Aye, what do you do? And you see, if you're putting concrete down as a footing to set boards on, and you add a wee bit more concrete to top it, be sure to top it down, because I forgot about that and made a real hammering for myself. This should make it a bit easier. Drill the hole first. Work smarter, work hard, boss. .6 meters. You look down that, you'll see the bow. The idea of it's bowing in, and the concrete comes up against it, it should hopefully push it out. Badly warped there. Times I guess you need more hands. Do what you can do, boss. You pull the frickin' screws out again. Closer. Right, we're going to work off the back end of this container. So we need to find a true line, pull it out straight, pull it out taut, touch the back of the container,
We're not too bad, boss.
Now we're doing the 3, 4, 5 method. 3. 4. 5. Nowhere near square. So if you see this yellow mark, I was showing Ivor how to take a square. That's by something, by whatever theorem. It's going to work anyway. How can it not work? The container's straight. We got a straight edge off the container. The boards are all the same length. That's why I put the block in the middle to give me an extra 4 inches, just to try and push it out more. I made up pins like 18 months ago for this job, but there's no way that I'd be able to drive them into this stone. But because it's me, we'll just double check it with the tape anyway. Both sides is measuring 9.78 meters. That's from the outside to the outside of the wood, just for handiness. Now, I'm just going to put blocks around the perimeter to support all the joints. I can't do much about the bow. I just have to hope that the concrete, when it comes, will push the boards out a wee bit by adding pressure. We've went around all the edges, supporting the forms. It's still not level. It can't be level because, like I said earlier, this here was whenever it was wet and I was putting cement in, I threw a bit in and I forgot to top it down. I did have to use the pick and scrape at it. Let's see how close we are. If we're close, we're good. We're about 10 mil out. That's why I robbed the tile. Say 3 millimeters in it. But who's saying it has to be perfect, eh? How much in it is there? Close enough today? I'm just going down this, giving it a final check. I have to take a wee bit more pulling, scraping, pushing and pulling, shoveling it off, getting it level. Off camera, I've went and put bricks underneath the centre of each beam. That'll help whenever I'm going to work on it, it'll not sag. I don't even know why I'm kinking this, because this pipe is only for filling the container. The reason why I'm snagging it like this here, this shade's going to be 2.5 meters. It's going to be tight, yep, to put 2 cubes side by side in, but that's where the pipe says, and I need to keep it in line. This here represents the edge of the wall, so I need for the watershed for both pipes to be on this side of it. That'll be sitting neat, that'll sit neat. I'll tie them like that, put a bit of a brace up, tie them to this, fill it with concrete, and then pour concrete around and it all sets. Fingers crossed. just tough going. Like this. This is one out of the 2 steps. Almost complete. I'm bending this down. I want this edge to run parallel with the wood, making it stronger because that's where the block's going to be. Now, I had a thought about it when I was putting one of my first board things to put in. I had a thought about it, I'd have cut it accordingly. But however, you live and learn. The next stage after this is going to be whacker plate. It shouldn't move too much, but I just want to, I don't want it, because the last thing I want it to be is cracking, so I have to look about one of them now. Guys, whacker plate and concrete, next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the field. See you in the field, boss.